Hello all and welcome back to All Things Arion. Today we are going to grow us some lettuce indoors because we are not going all winter without fresh vegetables. At least a salad, y'all, at least a salad. So today I am reusing milk cartons. So found this little trick out. Just cut the outside out and then leave the handle so that it's easy to carry, and then you want to drill a few little holes in it, and I did all of this with just a kitchen knife. So super easy, guys, and a way to recycle and save those milk cartons. So let's jump right in. All right, to start, I'm gonna go ahead and open this organic potty mix. I got a little confused on this until I met with the garden consultant. I will tag her below if you want to schedule a consult with her. But use potting mix instead of potting soil for a number of reasons when you're planting stuff, especially indoors. So I am going to just pour this over until my milk carton. My counters are going to get a little dirty, but hey, we're doing what we got to do to eat some fresh greens throughout the winter. So I've got it in there and I'm just breaking it up a little bit. Come over here, put a little water in, just because you want this soil to be moist. Once you put the seeds in, I'm just rinse my hand over here just to make sure it's really moist. So I'm mixing it around. Okay. So I've got that about filled enough. I might want to put a little more in there because I want to fill it almost to the rim of where that cutting begins. So got that in there. All right. Come back over. Add a little more water. And you can use the seeds of your choice. I got these botanical interest seeds from one of my local nurseries, and I am going to do the lettuce farmers market blend. I bought this for later and we'll enjoy that this spring, guys. Planting more Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. And then I got the arugula. I love this lettuce. So I'm gonna do one of this and one of these and probably another one of these. And guys, don't be scared to open your seeds and like see exactly what's inside. When I first started gardening, it was just so surprising to see how many seeds were actually inside of a plant, a packet. But look at this, guys. There are so many little bitty seeds in there. So if you want to do microgreens, you can spread them really close together. Actually, I might just do a pot with microgreens so we could compare. But just that right there, guys, that's like 20 seeds. Like, that's going to give us so much salad. So I'll just come in and plant these kind of sparingly because I don't want the microgreen effect in here. So I just went through and sprinkled about 8 of those. Now I'm going to get some more soil and just come back over and spread it out very lightly. Okay, and oh, my hand is full now. Don't do this, guys. Only put in your hand what you're gonna plant. But I'm coming back over and just give this a light shower. And that's it. We are ready for that to go ahead and germinate and give us some salad. And it says 5 to 14 days, guys. Okay, the farmers market greens are all set now. We'll see them in, it said 14 days. So in 14 days, farmers market greens, you better be ready. Okay, and now we're gonna do some microgreens. I didn't put as much soil in these because the microgreens don't take as much, being that you're not letting them turn into a full grown green. So the root systems won't be as deep, and now it can come back and like actually go ahead and ball out on what I'm gonna put in here. So just taking it and, wow, can you see that? Okay, taking it and sprinkling it. I want you guys to see that just a little closer here. Just a little bit closer. Okay. So taking that and actually sprinkling this really, really thin, or thickly. Thickly meaning really close together. These seeds are going to be super close together in here because they're microgreens, okay? So, all right. So this is what it looks like. Those seeds are super, super close together. And I'm gonna come over here and just grab a little bit of this extra soil and sprinkle it on top just to cover the seeds up and give them something to actually grow through. So those are our microgreens. Once again, coming over, getting that soil wet, and boom, microgreens. Next, our arugula. Yes, my favorite. Come on, light, work with me, light. There we go. Yes, so I'm gonna do these just like I did the farmer's market greens. As one tip of opening your seeds is just to cut it right there in the corner. You don't have to rip it open like I was so excited and rip this open like a Christmas gift. But you can just cut a little corner there so that you can easily close it back up, because obviously we are not using all, it's probably like 300 seeds in here. So we are not using all of these seeds today. Okay guys, I got a little smarter with the arugula seeds. I'm only gonna do about 10 and that's it. You can get really carried away when it comes to planting things because the seeds are so small, and you know, a lot of us don't know how it works, so we just go crazy with like planting 1,000 seeds, and you don't have to do that. Once again, like I like to say in all of my videos, nature, plants, seeds, all of that just shows us how to live life and like how abundant things are and how there's enough for everybody if we all get together and share. But I ain't gonna start preaching on you today, but you ain't gotta get greedy with your seeds, okay? So coming over once again and just sprinkling that soil with some more water, and we're done. All right, see you in 2 weeks. Bye for now.